this section right here. Now this one consists of my eyeshadow palettes, which are easier to use and you can use every single day, and it consists of mascara. Now I don't have too many mascaras, so these are just 3 mascaras. Also, because I do not own a lot of lip liners, all my lip liners, kajal pencil, and probably this is a eyebrow powder, like a brow pencil, and all my lip liners together, because I don't have many. Also, all the lipsticks that you see here are actually mousse formulation lipsticks. So all of these are kind of soft mousse finishes which I have kept together. And I have also kept 2-3 beauty blenders. I know that needs a lot of cleaning. Here we have the skincare section, and here is the base makeup. Like, this has all the concealers, the powders, the foundation, and setting spray. So I'm clearing out stuff, and I have another packages to unbox. I don't have space to keep things, but yeah, I mean, I'm very grateful for all the opportunities that I get. So this is the first package, small package that we have.
2 hours later. Six and a half hours later. Tomorrow. Tomorrow for sure.
These are cleansing pads. Now I have to read actually